Okay, so I hope my screen and voice is clear for you. Okay, so let's start our session. Fine. So in the last session, I explained to you front-end technologies and back-end technologies are what exactly, and what is the use of this front-end and also back-end along with database. Okay, I hope you got a clarity on this. Any doubts before going to the next? Okay. Okay, fine. We'll continue. So in the last session, I explained to you, I stopped it where like Python real-time, applications, right? I explained to you Python real-time applications. So before that, I explained to you like what is Python, what is Django, and what is Django REST framework. So front-end technologies are what and back-end technologies are what here. Database is what and Python full stack is what here, right? So let me revise briefly. So Python means it is a programming language that is used to write the programs to develop the software or applications. So Python is a very easiest programming languages by comparing to other programming languages. Next, Django is a framework. Exactly, it is a web framework technology, and that is used to develop the web applications or websites. It's a Python's framework only. Django is a Python's framework only, and many companies are right now using this Django for web development and also to design some other applications. Today, I'm going to discuss some other real-time apps of Django here. Next, Django REST framework. It is also a framework, and this is used to create the APIs for the web applications which we have designed already using the Django. Next, front-end technologies. Front-end technologies means in these front-end technologies, we cover HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. Okay. These we are going to cover along with if possible, I'm going to cover some overview about the Bootstrap as well. Okay. Bootstrap overview also I'm going to cover to you. And all these I explained to you like what is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js also to you, right? Next, the backend technologies. So backend technologies means like Python, Django REST framework comes under the backend technologies. And the database. Database is a storage area wherever we can store our application data. Okay. So next, Python full stack. So Python full stack means it is a combination of front-end technologies, backend technologies, and databases. Right. So next, okay, after this, I explained to you real-time applications of Python. Let me open the slide once. Okay, so these are the real-time applications of the Python. Okay, yesterday I explained to you all these. So in the real time, we are using the Python to develop the different types of applications, or we are using Python code, Python libraries in the different applications. Okay, so these are the some of the applications which we are using Python in these areas or in these apps, like AI, ML technology, data science technology, IoT technology. All these are the latest technologies. These are the AI, ML, data science, and IoT are the latest technologies. In these latest technologies, we are using the Python. That is why Python also becoming very, very popular. Okay, Python is not only easy, okay, and not only not only designing the applications fast here. Along with that, this Python we are using in the latest technologies, okay, like AI, ML, data science, and IoT. These are the very popular technologies. Yesterday I explained about these briefly for you. Next, Python also supports for web development. Means we can develop the web applications using Django. Like Django is what? It is a Python framework. Like using this type of Python framework, we can design the web applications or websites. Next, I said these are the voice assistants devices like Amazon Alexa devices. We can create, or in these apps also we can use this Python. Like voice recognition in mobiles or Google home pages. Okay, if you observe the voice recognition apps, means like you can see there is a voice over button. You can talk, it is going to identify your voice. Okay, it can respond accordingly, right? So such type of apps also we can implement or we can develop using the Python. Next, image recognition like image passwords. So in these apps also we use here Python. Next, product recommendation in the e-commerce. Okay, yesterday I explained to you how it is going to recommend the products. Whenever you browse any product in the e-commerce website, like for example Amazon or Flipkart, okay, then next day, it's going to it's going to display the same type of products whichever you browsed in the past. Or you can take YouTube also, I said, right? YouTube. If you are watching a one category of videos, means daily it's going to recommend or suggest same type of category of videos. Next, Google Maps. In this also we are using here Python. Next, language translation. Okay, in this language translation apps also we are using the Python. Automated cars, or you can say self-drive cars. There also we are using the Python. Next, in the medical or hospital fields, like in that we are using the some machines like for X-rays, CT scans, MRIs, and also robotic surgery purpose. We are using some different equipments there. Okay, so these are all internally having the softwares. In this also we are using the Python code. So these are the real-time applications of the Python. Okay, so if you observe everything we are using in the real-time right now. So all these are based on what? Python only. Okay, right, like that. So Django real-time applications. So these are the Django real-time applications. As we discussed in the past, Django is used to create the web applications. Okay, there is a common application of the Django. We can design the websites like Amazon, Flipkart, IRCTC, Book My Show. These types of websites, different category or different or variety type of web applications or websites we can create using the Django. That too very fast and also easily. That is the first application of the Django. Next, Django also supports to develop the web browsers. Already there is a browser like Mozilla Firefox. It is designed using the Django. Okay. Next, Django supports to develop the social media platforms. Social media platforms means, for example, Instagram. This Instagram is already created using Django only. It's the most popular one we know, right? It's the most popular one nowadays. Everybody are using this. So this is actually designed using the Django only. Next, Django also used for stock market or stock trading related applications. If you want to design these type of applications also, we can use here Django. Next, chart applications like customer support chat systems. Okay, so generally, whenever you want to chart in any one website or sometimes in the WhatsApp also, without any person or other side, you can chart. Yes or no? So one program is going to chart with you. That is called here chart applications. We can create such type of applications using the Django here. Like that, next we have a live applications also we can design using Django. Live, like live notifications, live streaming events, live gamings. Next, real-time dashboards, like to display the live data updates. For example, live, if I say live apps means, for example, live cricket scores, live election results. Okay, that we have to show lively. So such type of programs also which are required to present live programs, okay, we can use Django here, right? So if you observe all these also right now nowadays we are using, okay. So that is what Django real-time applications. Next, React.js. React.js real-time applications. So as we know that React.js is a combination of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Yes, sir. So React.js is a one framework. So this React.js already used to develop the different applications like Facebook, for example. This Facebook is designed using the React.js. Instagram also designed using the React.js. Netflix, right? You know Netflix, right? So you can watch some movies, right? So such type of platforms also we can design using the React.js. Next, WhatsApp, you know. Okay, WhatsApp also designed using the React.js. Like that, Yahoo Mails. Okay, these mail type of apps also we can design using the React.js. Next, Dropbox. That is for what? Cloud storage service purpose. For example, Google Drive. Dropbox is just like a Google Drive only. You can store your data in the cloud securely. Okay, and you can use it from anywhere, from any device. So such type of apps also we can design using this word React.js. So if you observe, these are also everything, every real-time application of React.js also we are using in the real-time, right? Okay, right. So these are the real-time applications of the React.js, right? So I hope you understood. So real-time applications of the Python and Django, and then what? React.js. Fine. Next, fine. So this is very important slide. See, if you take this Python full stack, okay, you can play multi-developer roles. Means you are eligible for not only one designation or one job role as Python full stack, but if you complete or if you take this Python full stack course, now you are eligible for multiple roles or multiple jobs. So what are those here? So after Python. So first three are the after Python. If you have an interest to learn AIML, you can learn AIML after Python. So that you are eligible for AIML developer. Next, after Python, data science is there. If you go for data science, then you are eligible for data science developer or engineer or analyst. Then after Python, IoT. You can go for IoT. Now you are eligible for IoT developer. Okay. This IoT is suitable for electronic people, especially. Right. Next, after this, if you learn and if you focus front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js. Okay. So if you learn only these front-end technologies, you are eligible for front-end or UI developer. Front-end or UI developer. Next, if you learn only the back-end, like Python back-end technologies like Python, Django, Django REST framework. Now you are eligible for Python back-end developer or Python back-end web developer. Next, Python full stack web developer. Means you are eligible for Python full stack web developer if you learn both front-end and back-end technologies along with database also. Okay. And along with that, so JavaScript developer, separate role. Okay, from the front end, we are learning the JavaScript. So if you take the JavaScript, and I mean, if you learn this JavaScript, then you are eligible for JavaScript developer. Separate jobs are there on this. Okay, it is also one more benefit. Next, separate role is there, React.js developer. Okay, React.js developer. Next, database administrator. If you learn the database and if you focus on database, you are eligible for database administrator, okay, or database manager, okay, like that. Next, we'll be having separate here the job roles, Python plus database or Python plus SQL. Okay, right. So sometimes you no need to wait until completion of this total full course. In the meanwhile only, in the middle of this course only, okay, you may get the job. Sometimes here, most of the students from our Harsha Trainings got the jobs, without completion of their courses. Okay, so whenever they completed Python, then immediately they are attending the interviews and they are getting the jobs like that. So Python SQL combination. Okay, many people got the jobs like that. So sometimes you don't need to wait until completion of this full stack also. But however, if you take this Python full stack, there is a benefit for you only. So you will be having the experience on different areas here. And finally, you are going to, you are eligible for designing the real-time web application if you take this total Python full stack. Okay, right. So it's very important, right? So now if you take this Python full stack, now you are eligible for multiple roles here, different roles. Okay, or you are eligible for multiple jobs. That is what. Next, so these are the benefits from my side as a trainer. So easy, simple and easy way the delivery of the training. I am going to provide the training to you using simple words, simple English. Anybody can understand. Even though some people, even though if you don't have any knowledge on, if you don't know the English also, you are able to understand because I am going to use a simple English words. You can understand that. Okay. So next we have one more benefit here, real-time examples. In our classroom, daily base, we are going to discuss the real-time examples. And we will do the more exercises. Okay, more exercises. And then assignments and tasks we are going to do here. And live hands-on coding. I am going to type the programs in front of you. There is no copy paste. Every program I am going to type in front of you. Okay, right. Next, so we are going to do, or we are going to work on the projects. Okay, I will tell you how many projects we are going to do here. Additionally, here I am going to give some tips to memorize and remember the concepts. How to memorize, how to practice, how to note all these things, how to follow the classes. I am going to explain to you later. Then guidelines for your career. Okay, so if there are any doubts also, you can ask about your career. Okay, I will provide some guidelines to you in the classroom. And next, sometimes I'm going to provide the motivation speeches to make yourself positive and get success in your career. Okay, so these are the benefits from my side. And next, we have the benefits, more benefits from the Harsha Trainings also. Means from our institution also we have so many benefits. So Harsha Training is offering, okay, trainings both and online and offline. Both online and offline. So it depends on your requirement or interest. You can attend either online or offline. Next, it is a total 6 months duration. Actually, if you take daily 1 hour class, it will like the 6 months. But if you take 2 hours, it will we can complete within 3 to 4 months only. Okay, 6 months means if you take daily 1 hour, that is a 6 months, like that. Next, here we are going to conduct the not only technical trainings here. Along with that, we need to learn the reasonings, aptitude, and HR communication sessions also. So we are going to conduct all these here. Next, limited students for the batch. Okay, na? Limited students for the batch, so that I can focus on each and every student. Next, we'll be having the support. Okay, especially I am going to provide the support to you. Okay, mentor support or trainer support will be there for you. Next, we'll be having your mock interviews. I'm going to take sometimes mock interviews also to you. Next, resume preparations. I'll help you in the resume preparations. Next, LinkedIn profile creation. All these are required. Okay, so that sometimes directly the companies will approach you. Next, special activities on every Saturday. Generally, on Saturday, you'll be having maybe different set of tasks, projects, works like that. Okay. Generally, Monday to Friday classes. In case sometimes, okay, I may take the Saturday also. That is depends on. We'll see that. Next, you'll be having the class recordings accessible for 1 year. Every class will be recorded in the Zoom that we are going to share to you daily base. Okay. And so these videos are accessible for 1 year total. Okay, so that you can go through those recording videos multiple times. Even if you have a doubt in a first time, then you can go for second time also. You can listen it. Okay, so try to understand that. Next, internship with certification. You will be having your internship also. Along with that, you will get a certificate as well. Next, course completion certificate. You will be having a course completion certificate also from Harsha Trainings. Next year, here in our institution, we will be having the AC classrooms and good infrastructure and environment of our institution. And then placement assistance, very, very important. This is, so you'll be having the placement assistance, 100% placement assistance from our Harsha Trainings. Okay. Yeah, someone is asking a question. This is 1 year here. Okay. Yeah. You can see that if you request, they may provide. Fine. So these are the benefits from the Harsha Trainings. I hope it is clear for you. Okay. And then along with that, here there are free workshops. Okay. Harsha Trainings means our institution will conduct some free workshops to you. So what are the workshops here? DevOps workshop. In that we have a version control systems. Okay. In that you are going to learn Git and GitHub. It is very, very important for every developer. This is a workshop for 1 week. Okay, 1 week workshop. And one more workshop is Power BI. In that reporting tool you are going to learn. It is also 1 week free workshop. These two are the one week training or workshops. Okay, so this is a benefit for you. I hope it is clear for you. So still, if you have any doubts or any queries, you can just contact our office number about these, courses or anything, fee structure. If you want, you can just contact to our admin people. This is a contact number. If you want, I'll share in the chat box. You can take it. Got everyone? Right. So this is about complete Python full stack. Is what? And the benefits from the Harsha Trainings. Okay. And the benefits for you, if you take this Python full stack course, so what is the benefit you are getting also? Okay, you understood well. Is it clear to everyone? Any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'll give the time to you. Okay, fine. So if no doubts, it's okay. Fine. So this is total about the Python full stack demo. So especially you try to understand if you take this Python full stack, okay. So there are many benefits you are going to receive. This slide is very, very important. Okay. This slide is very, very important. Once if you complete this Python full stack, so you are eligible for multiple roles here. Okay. So already there are many students got the jobs from our Harsha Trainings. Recently also. Okay. Yeah. And these are the benefits. Okay. So benefits from my side and the benefits from our registration side. Okay. Along with that, we are also conducting the what? Workshops. Okay. Right. And here we are taking the limited students for the batch so that I can focus on every student performance. I can check the performance of every student also. Okay. Right. So I hope it's clear for you. Okay. So let me just revise for 2 minutes. So what we discussed total about this Python full stack within 2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes, I'm going to revise to you. So I explained what is Python in this. So Python is a programming language or scripting language. So Python programming helps to write the programs to develop the software or applications. And the Python is very easy by compared to other programming languages, right? So there are some multiple programming languages are there like Java, okay, C language, C++, C#.NET. By compared to all these programming languages, Python is very, very simple and also easy. It is a simplified programming language. Anybody can learn. Okay, anybody can learn and anybody can understand. That much of easy. I explained how Python is easy by compared to some coding here. I compared the code for printing a name 100 times. This program I compared Python and Java. So Python is easy here. Same way, I compared one more program code for reverse a string or word. Left side Python code is there, right side Java code is there. So if you observe the left side Python code is very, very simple. Only 1 or 2 lines of code we are writing. Like that, you can take any other programming also. Not only Java code right side, you can take C language code, C++ code, .NET code. Okay, you can take any other code also. Almost that is a program is very, very lengthy here. The Python code is very, very small. Okay, and then Django. So Django is a web framework technology that is used to develop the web applications or you can say websites very easily and quickly. Why we can design the very easily quickly means because of this Django is a framework. It is a web framework. Framework means it is an inbuilt architecture. If you use the frameworks here, we can design the applications fast. That is the advantage of the frameworks here. Okay. So next, it is a most popular Python's framework used by many companies in the IT industry for web development. Okay. However, as I said just now, Django not only for web development, but especially it is designed for web application only. But along with that, we also can use this Django for designing the different other apps also. Just now I explained to you Django real-time applications, right? Fine. Next, Django REST framework is what I explained to you. Django REST framework it is also a framework and that is used to develop the APIs for the Django applications. So API stands for Application Programming Interface. And this what is the use of this API? This API helps to make available of the Django application to the different apps so that users can interact with the web application from many sources, right? So I explained this with one diagram also this. Okay, same definition you can take, you can compare with this diagram. I explained to you already. So next, backend technologies. So these are the backend technologies. Here we are going to cover the Python, core and advanced Python, Django, so Django REST framework and database. In that we are going to cover the SQL, any one database like MySQL. Mostly we are going to focus on MySQL because companies are asking MySQL mostly. Okay. Sometimes they also may ask any other database, but most commonly they are asking most common means regularly they are asking what here MySQL. So we will learn MySQL. Okay. As a part of this database. Next, I explain to you front-end technologies, HTML, hypertext markup language. This is used to create the web pages. Okay. And then after creating web pages, if you want to apply the styles for the web pages, you have to use here CSS, stands for cascading style sheet. Next, JavaScript. It is a scripting language. It's just like one programming like Python. Okay, I explained JavaScript we can use for different purposes, different application purpose. We use a JavaScript. For example, data validation, right? Data validation, dynamic programming purpose. Also, we can use JavaScript. What is dynamic? I'll explain to you later. Okay, but I explained to you like data validation how we do using the JavaScript. Okay. Next, React.js is a combination of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay. So it is also a framework. We can say it is a front-end framework. Okay. Because previous Django it's not a front-end, it is a back-end. Django is a back-end framework. Okay. Like that REST framework also, back-end framework. That is also back-end framework. Like same way here, we have a React.js. It is a front-end framework. Okay, it is a front-end framework. And it is a combination of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So this is what front-end technologies, back-end and front-end. So combination of these two will become what here? Full stack. So this is a full stack now. Okay, Python, Django, Django REST framework, database concepts, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js. So combination of all these called here what? Full stack. Okay, right. Next, finally, today I explained to you the real-time applications of the Python. Okay, and real-time applications of the Django. So Django we are using in web development, browser designing, social media platforms, stock market trading, chart applications, live applications. Next, real-time applications of the React.js. We are using the React.js. Already use this React.js for Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, WhatsApp, Yahoo Mail, Dropbox. In all these, we are using the React.js only. Tomorrow, you also can design these type of applications, or we can just, what we call, you have to maintain all these. Existing project you have to maintain, and you also should design the new projects as well, which are similar to this one. Okay, depends on company requirement you are going to work. Next, this slide I explained to you, right? So here, very clearly I explained to you, whenever you take this Python full stack, you no need to skip this technology. Try to understand. Because some people, what they do means, they are going to learn one course, okay, and they may stop in the middle of the course only. Okay, some people, what they do means, they are going to take one course, other courses, something course, any course. They will start learning one course, they will finish maybe 5 to 6 months. Okay, and what they do, actually, if they don't know, if you take the Python full stack, they don't know exactly. That is why I am telling you clearly, if you take the Python full stack, you are eligible for multiple roles. That is a very, very important point you have to understand. Means you no need to skip, or you no need to change other technology. If you want for updation purpose, you can take other training if you want additionally. Additionally, if you want, for example, see, AML you can learn, no problem. You can, if you want, for example, along with this Python full stack, you can go for AML also. Okay, or you can learn data science, for example, additionally, like that. Later we'll discuss. If you want, you can ask to me. Later I'm going to explain to you additionally what you want to learn. You can discuss with me. Okay, or I will tell you which are suitable for you if you want to learn some additional technologies. Okay, that is what. So that is why once if we complete this Python full stack, you no need to skip this one. Just you can lifelong, you can just work on this Python and Python full stack technology only. Okay, you no need to keep it aside after learning this one. That is a very, very important one. Okay, so that is what, because some people will complete the half of the course, and after that they are going to jump into other course. That course they are going to learn half of again. Like that, many people will do like that only. They don't have any clarity. Okay, such type of candidates won't have any clarity because they don't know exactly. Even if trainer explain, they may not understand sometimes. Some trainers will not explain where this particular technology is useful in the real time. But here I am explaining to you very clearly. So where we are using and what type of applications we are designing. Already in the real time, everybody are using. I shown just now in the slides. Yes or no? Every application of Python, Django, and React.js, we are using all these things. Okay, that is what. So that's why once if you decide to take any course means, if you, if you understand the benefit of that course, then it is better to start. Okay. Additionally, you can learn other technologies, no problem. Having the multiple technical skills always gives you advantage only. Okay. That is why along with that, if you want, you can learn some other which is suitable to you to your web development only, for example. Okay. Not entirely unrelated one to this web development. I hope you are understanding. Okay. Like that. So that is why here if you take the Python full stack, we are eligible for, we are means you are eligible for multiple roles in the real time. So companies can, recruit as a front-end developer, back-end developer, JavaScript developer, React.js developer, database administrator, Python plus SQL combination. Okay. Full stack developers. Like that, different roles you can play here. Very, very important. So finally, I explained to you the benefits from my side. So just you can remember all these benefits. Other training institutions may not provide these many benefits to you. Okay. So try to understand, and you also can decide here. So these are the benefits I am providing from my side, and these are the benefits from our Harsha Trainings. Okay, along with 100% placement assistance. Okay. So along with this, here we are conducting the workshops, DevOps and Power BI. Every workshop is 1 week free workshop. Okay. Each one is 1 week like this. Fine. So this is what you have to remember. Now you people can decide, do you want to take this course or not? That is from Harsha Trainings or not? You can decide. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can ask to me once. Any doubts, please? Reshma, Poonam, Ahmed, Yashwant. Okay. You can respond in chat box, no problem. You need to unmute, you can respond in chat box. Okay, good. Fine. And also, if you have your friends, also can suggest them to attend these demos. Okay. So ask them to try to understand about this Python and Python full stack. Okay. So Python is evergreen. Okay. Python is evergreen. So it is everywhere. Python is everywhere nowadays. In any technology, we are using the Python here. That is why Python is becoming very, very popular. Okay. So, if you take Python, as I said, we are using the Python in different areas, different applications we are designing using Python. Okay. That's why it's one of the top most programming languages in the real time. Okay. Right. Fine. So, any queries? So I want to ask a question to you. Can you answer? I think you people already completed your degrees or graduations, right? Yes or no? Already you completed. I hope you people has given an introduction to me in the first session. Anybody are first class today? May I know, please? Anybody are first class today? This is a third class for us. Third day. Okay. This is the third day. Anybody are first day? Okay. I hope you attended already 2 sessions, right? So did you receive the recordings? Received? Yes. Yes, anybody. BSc also fine, no problem. Any degree, any BTech. Okay. Yeah. Any degree, any BTech is eligible.
Sir, I have a concern. It's not BTech. It's just a Bachelor of Science. Like I
Yes.
didn't do.
I
Is
know,
it
I
okay?
I know, I know. Yes, it's
Oh,
okay. BSc
okay.
stream.
Yes, sir. It's BSc.
BSc computers, BSc mathematics. What is that exactly?
It's not anything to do with computer. My major was something like really unrelated, like for designing. It was.
You are from?
I'm from USA.
Sorry?
USA, New York.
Yes, yes. Okay, you are good. Great. No problem. No problem.
So it's not a issue, right?
Not
Because
a
I was really concerned that my major was not CS. So
no problem. No problem. You can learn a technology. BSc means science
okay.
related. No. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Any other queries? I hope you people are having the contact of our office. Okay. I shared in chat box once again. For any queries, you can just call or you can WhatsApp. Okay. So you will get the updates for the next year. These are the 3 demo sessions we completed up to now. Today is the 3rd demo sessions. So we completed demo sessions. Okay. Now you people should decide if really have an interest, you can approach our office people and give your feedback and your opinion. Do you want to take the course or not? Okay. So just you can discuss with them. Then you will get the next update based on that. Okay. Right. Any more queries? Any more questions? Okay. Fine. Today we'll close session. If no doubts, you can leave session, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you.